Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making a hair oil treatment with onion, avocado seed, coconut oil, castor oil, mint oil, and 3 capsules of vitamin E to preserve the treatment. Onions have antimicrobial properties which prevent any sort of buildup on your scalp and promotes hair growth. Avocado seed oil is a natural emollient that can moisturize and nourish the skin and hair and encourage hair growth. Apply this oil to scalp for 1 hour with a shower cap before shampooing.